True. Oh, we are live now.
Yes, alhamdulillah.
Bismillah. Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah. Um,
God, get what I can't judge you. Why you do like that?
Mali be a Muslim country now. Uh,
Mm.
so we are already live. Today, last time we did a topic. I don't know. Do you remember where we stopped last time? Our last topic. I think what was the topic we did last time?
And red line.
Okay, the topic of trend line. On the topic of trend line, that's correct. So let me go ahead right now and share my screen. I will share my screen immediately. Okay. Okay, so I have just shared my screen. Can you see my screen, please?
Yes, sir.
Good, good, good. You can see me.
Yes, sir.
Very lovely. Um, good. Right. You can still hear me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, without further ado, I think we have to go on to the chart. Where is the chart? This is the chart. Okay, I took this trade yesterday. What day is today? Today is Tuesday.
Mm.
Yeah, I took this trade on the 1 hour time frame. I took this trade. That was yesterday in the midnight. I took this trade by two in the midnight, and today around 1 o'clock in this afternoon, it hit take profit. I also took GBP Euro USD, the same sell. Took this one also. It also hit take profit. You can see it. I
Yes, sir.
also took trade on gold. On XAU USD, I took trade on gold. It was also a short. This was it. I made profit. Took trade on gold. So all of these things I'm going to be explaining to you. Okay, let us do a quick recap. You can see my screen very well and very clear. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So let me show you a very quick recap on why I took this trade on gold. So remember, let me refresh this page. I want this thing gone. So you can see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Good. So right now, remember I told you when you want to do your analysis, you must start from the monthly time frame. The monthly what?
Time frame.
The higher time frame. Start from the higher time frame. Then you do
Monthly.
your analysis. Start from the higher time frame to do your what? Your analysis. So right now we are on the monthly. Simply to set the chart. Go back to XAU XAUUSD. Okay, this is XAUUSD, which is gold. So if you look right here now, please pay attention. You can see my screen.
Yes, sir.
If you look right here now, you can see that gold has been bullish. It has been on a serious uptrend because gold has been buying ever since. Gold has been buying. It has been doing a higher high, a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, a higher high, making a higher low now. So gold has been a higher high in short. You cannot call this a higher low until a higher high occurs. So gold has been what?
Going higher
Bullish.
high.
It has been on a serious what? Uptrend. You can see that. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
So you go down to the, so gold is very bullish. Mark it out. Gold in the monthly time frame. Gold is what? Bullish. Gold is bullish means gold is buying. Get down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, there is something we can see here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If you look closely here, you can see that that this is a high. Okay, a high, a low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low. Then simply a higher high, a higher low, a higher high. Then after this higher low, it was supposed to after this higher high it was supposed to give you what?
A higher
A
low.
higher low. Thank you. But God did not come and give you a higher low. It went and give you what? A lower low. This lower low has taken out this very higher
Higher
low
high.
here.
Mm.
This is a higher low. It has taken it out. So which means this is a sign that the trend is changing. It's a trend reversal. Okay. And after this higher this low that took out recent this
Higher
recent
low. Higher low.
higher low, it came here and give you another high, but this high is now a lower high. It's no longer it's no longer a what? A higher high. It's a lower high now. So we are expecting gold to come down and give you what? A lower low. Okay, so right now we can simply say that gold, since gold has broken this recent higher low right here. You are seeing my screen very clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Please, you have to make your voice audible so I can be hearing you.
Yes, sir.
You can see my screen.
Yes, sir.
Good. So good has taken out this um, recent higher low here. It has broken, which simply means that the trend has changed. The trend is changing. The trend has changed. Okay. And what do I mean by that? I taught you before. Okay. In the market, there is a simply is either you have an uptrend or you have a downtrend or a ranging market. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so and I told you that you should either be trading an uptrending market or a downtrending market.
Market.
You shouldn't be trading a ranging market. There is no need for that. If you come to a market and you are seeing that the market is not bullish, neither bearish, which means it's not trending to the upside or trending to the downside, it's just ranging. Ranging is in this formula, in this pattern. The market does something like this. It's not giving you what? Higher highs and higher lows or lower highs and lower lows. It's just acting something like this. Okay, making this
Yes, sir.
part, this point to be your what? Your resistance. and this point here to be your what? Your support. You understand? So it goes up from
Yes,
support to resistance, pushes it down, goes up again to resistance, pushes it down, goes up again to resistance, pushes it down, and so on. So this is a simple example of a what? A ranging market, which can also be called a consolidating market. Do you understand? Any questions
yes,
so
sir.
far? Very good. So now an uptrend is a market that does this. An uptrend gives you a high, a low, a higher high,
A
a
higher
what?
low, a
A
higher
higher
low,
low,
a
a
higher
higher
high,
high, a
a
what?
higher low,
A higher low, a what?
a higher high,
A higher high, and a what?
a higher low.
Okay, quick lesson now. I want to teach you something. Okay,
Yes,
this
sir.
point, this point is our what? Our low. Okay, this point is our what? Our high, right?
Yes, sir.
This point is our what?
Higher low,
A higher low, and this point is our what?
higher high,
A higher high, and this point is our what?
higher low,
A higher low, right? And this point is our what?
higher high,
Good. And this point is our what?
higher low,
Good. And then this point is our what?
higher high.
Then what would you call this point right now? This one right now. What would you call this? This one? This one.
Higher low.
Okay. That is a kind of correct, but it is in a trending sense. It is wrong, but it's correct, but it's wrong. Why did I say so? It will become a higher low when it has given you a higher high, which confirms that yes, it is a higher low. Do you understand that? Because if you call this a higher low, hello,
Yes, sir.
if you call this a higher low,
Mm-hmm.
then the trend can shift because there's something called trend reversal. Okay, the market can decide to come up here, okay, and then do this,
Yes.
go this way, do this, go
Higher
this way,
low,
do this,
lower low.
go this way, do this, go this way. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So you can only call this point, you can only call this point a higher low after the market must have given you a new higher high, which now validates that this point has become a
A
higher
higher
low.
low.
Okay? Do you understand what I just explained to you now?
Yes, sir.
Good. So that being said, if you look very very well here, okay, you can see that after the market gave you after the market gave you a higher high, okay, the market came here and gave you your proposed higher low, okay, and then it bought. You were expecting a new higher high, but the
Yes,
market
sir.
did not come and give you a new higher high again. It gave you a lower high. A lower what?
High.
Which is this point. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Then at this point, when you are expecting the market to give you a higher high, but the market now gave you a lower high, what comes to your mind now? What are you thinking now, seeing this? It simply means that the market
The
is
market is doing
giving,
a
is changing
downtrend
from an uptrend
to
to a what?
downtrend to
To a
downtrend
downtrend. Thank you so much. The market is changing from an uptrend to a what?
to
A down.
downtrend.
So at this point, we can safely say that a trend reversal has simply occurred. A trend reversal, an
Reversal.
uptrend. A
Yes,
trend
sir.
reversal. Do you understand what I just said? A trend
Yes, a
reversal.
trend reversal.
So the trend is reversing to a what? An opposite trend, a downtrend. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
That is very correct. So after this, after the market just gave you this, this is now what? It is no longer a higher high. It's now a lower high. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
It's now a lower high. Okay.
Yes,
And
sir.
then this has become after a lower high, you get a lower low. A lower
Get
low,
the
a lower low simply means that this trend has simply confirmed to be a what? A downtrend.
low.
Okay, because
Yes, sir.
how what confirmed it for you? First, you have this, which is your previous, your recent higher high.
Higher high.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
then you also have this, which is which is your presumed higher low. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
You have this line here, this top here, which is your recent higher high, your recent higher high. I can decide to mark that out. Your recent what? Higher high.
Higher high.
You can see that. And then you also have this point here, which is your recent what? Your recent higher low. Do you understand that? Do you see
Yes,
it?
sir.
Is it
Yes, sir.
confusing? Is it
No, no, no.
confusing?
No,
Do
it's
you
not
understand
confused.
it?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now the market gave you this higher high, and then it came here and gave you a higher low. And
Higher
while
low.
you were in an uptrend, you were expecting the market to give you what? A
A
higher
higher
high,
high.
because we are an uptrend to give you a higher high,
Yes.
like perfect.
Higher high.
But you were expecting that. But the market did not come and give you what? A higher high.
A higher
Rather,
high.
it came to create,
Give you a
went
higher
up
low.
to create a higher low, because this to create a lower high,
A
because this
lower high.
high didn't come to break this one this way. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
But it stopped somewhere here. It stopped somewhere here, which is something which has now become a lower high, because this is a high, and this new high is lower in high than this first high, than this recent higher high. It is lower in a high, so it's called a lower high.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
And that is a sign. When you see it, it's a sign that means that is showing you that this market is changing trend. And then you wait. You what? You wait.
Wait.
You don't rush the market. You don't try to be fast to make your money. You wait. Allow the market to react. No, allow the market to act. Allow the market to act, and then you react. Okay? And remember,
Yes, sir.
trend is your friend. Okay? The trend is your friend. What do I mean by trend is a friend? If the market is buying, which is bullish, which is also called an uptrend, you should only be what? Finding opportunities to buy. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
And if the market is selling, which is what? Bearish, or also called a downtrend, you should be doing what?
Selling
You should be looking for
or,
opportunities to sell.
or sell.
Okay. And
Yes, sir.
remember, you cannot just sell at any point. There are important key levels where you can sell from. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
I taught you that before. For example, quickly, assuming you are this market is assuming you come to a chart and you're seeing that, yeah, the chart is a what? On an uptrend,
Up to him.
in this manner. Okay, and then you are seeing your higher highs and higher lows. You should only be buying from a what? From a higher low, to be able to cash the higher high that will come next. You set your buying position and target the next higher high. Do you understand this? Is it simple?
Yes, sir.
Is it confusing?
No, sir.
You understand this, right?
Yes, sir.
And then in a downtrending market, you should only be looking for opportunities to sell. Is
To
that
sell.
correct?
Yes,
And
sir.
where do you sell from? You sell from lower highs to be able to
Lower
cash the
high.
what? The lower low. You sell
Yes, sir.
from lower highs to be able to cash the what? The
A
lower
lower
low.
low.
You cannot just come, assuming you cannot just come to sell from to start selling from a lower low. You just, because you see he's selling, you want to join the sales. You can't just come to start selling from a lower low. You are going to lose your money. You hit a stop loss. Do you understand this? Do you see it?
Yes, sir.
Somebody will just because you see the market is selling, and then you have FOMO, fear of missing out, and then you enter the trade without knowing what you are doing. The market must reverse to come and give you what? A lower high, and that will hit your stop loss. And after it takes you out by hitting your stop loss, the market will still come back to sell. So you have to only sell from keyword levels. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what just happened here now? This market has given you what? Given you. This is a higher low when you read from the uptrend, and this is a higher high. But then a trend reversal happened around here. Because it now gave you what? A lower high
High.
and then a lower low. This lower high, these two things that occurred here has simply confirmed for you that we are
That the
now
market want
in a
to do
downtrend.
down
That
trading.
the market has changed trend. It is now acting. It is now a downtrending market.
Downtrend. Yes.
And what are the two things? First is this one. It gave you what? A lower high, no longer a higher high. That is point
Yes.
one. And then point two. And when you see a lower high in a trend, what next are you expecting to confirm and be sure that yes, this is indeed what? A downtrending market. The next thing you're expecting is what? After a lower high, you are expecting to see what? A lower low. And this is it. How is this a lower low? Because there was a low here, okay, which was
Yeah.
our higher
Higher
low
low.
from the
Yes.
market, but the market now came and take it out. It broke below it, giving you a lower low because this low is now lower in low than this recent higher low. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes,
that is
sir.
only what happens in a downtrending market. Because in an uptrending market, it will only be giving you higher lows. It will not come and break below this recent low. If it does this, okay, it also means the market may is trying to change to a what?
A downtrending market.
But now, if the market happens to break this, okay, that is sign one. Remember, you must have two signs to be sure. That is sign one. Okay,
Yes,
that is
sir.
what?
Sign one.
Which is what? It has given you a lower low. So what next are you expecting? You are now expecting that the market will give you what? A lower high.
High.
So it broke below this one. Then the next buy that will come should never come and take out the recent higher
One.
high. It should be below it this way, and then come back again this way, which is now a lower low. Then you be patient. You remain patient for market to come back up again. Okay, to give you
Yes,
what?
sir.
Lower high. Then
A
you
lower
short it.
high.
Then you sell. You take your position, and then you make your money. You print your money and you lock in. You're going to enjoy yourself and travel to Dubai. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So this is it. But now remember, the market can decide. Remember this. I'm teaching you something important now. You must have to pay attention to understand this. The market
Yes,
can
sir.
decide to do this. Okay, the market can decide to do this to to this is a perfect market example. Okay, are you following me? I can't hear you, please.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is a perfect what market example. The market can decide to not give you what a higher low. It will come down to this same level of this same previous higher low to give you an equal low
Confirm. Allah will not this.
at the same
Yes.
level. At this point, the market still maintains the patterns of a what? An uptrend. It has not changed trend. There is no been any sign of trend. There is no sign of trend reversal. Do you understand this?
Yes. Yes, sir. We do it last time.
Thank you so much for remembering that. The market can equally decide to do this. This this is your this is your this is your this is
Higher low.
a higher low, a higher high. Then it came here to give you what? An equal low. Okay?
Yes, sir.
The market can equally decide to break below this, to break below
This
what?
higher low.
This higher low to come down to this one. This in this way. Now, when the market does this, you have seen that this market has broken what? Has given you the first
Previous,
sign
yeah.
that it wants to change to a trend. But you must wait for the second sign. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
And what is that second sign you must wait to see before you can conclude that yes, the market has changed to a downtrend? What is the second sign you have to see for you to be sure that this market has changed to a downtrend, because right now you are seeing that it has broken structure. It has broken the recent higher low.
We are expecting to do higher low again.
No,
Lower high.
lower high.
Lower high.
Thank you. It's lower high. Okay. The market
Yes,
did this. The market did this. Okay. It came to this level here. The market came to this level here. At this level, market came here. Okay.
yes, sir.
So and there was a higher low here. The market sold below it, breaking a structure, and that is the first sign that is telling you something, that this market, maybe it wants to change trend. Maybe it wants to create a trend reversal, but you have seen a first sign. There must be a second sign for you to now be certainly sure, to be certain, sorry, perhaps, to be certain, to be fully sure that this market wants to change what? Trend. And what is that? You are expecting to see what? To see a lower high. From this point, it will come up here. Okay, in this manner, to give you what? A lower high, and then it will sell, give you a lower low.
Lower low.
Okay, and then the market will come up this way to retest, to come up this way to retest, to give you a lower high, retesting this support on resistance to sell massive. It will sell massively. Please, do you have any question?
No, sir.
Are you understanding this?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. So I've taught you some important things right now in this drawing, which I will still go to the live chat to teach you. So quickly now, looking at all of this. Okay. You understand this drawing, right?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. 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 Okay. Okay. Now, after we did the topic of trend line, remember we also did support and what? Resistance.
And the resistance.
Hello?
Yes, support and resistance.
So, yes. So I think I will have to also touch on that topic again. So what is support and resistance? In this same market structure that I drew out here, all of these things that I drew out here, they are called what? Market structure. All of these that I drew out here. It's called what?
Market structure.
Okay. And in this Forex market, in this trading business, market structure is the king. Market structure is what you have to learn, is what you must know. In fact, you can't do without it. It's like the pillars of a building. When you learn and know market structure, then you have gotten about 70 or 80% of the market knowledge. Then you have learned up to 80% about the charts. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Market structure is super important that you know it. Very, very important that you know it. And I'm glad I'm teaching this to you. Okay. So
yes,
moving
sir.
ahead, support and resistance. So this place is a low, this is a high. Okay. This is a what? A high.
Low.
And this is a what? A higher high. And this is a what?
Higher low.
A higher low. So support and resistance is this. Remember that now. Watch now. Watch. I'll just draw my line and put it here in this manner. Perfect. Do you see that?
Yes, sir.
Do you see that, please?
Yes, sir.
That is support turn resistance right there. I'll show you. The market came up here, and this was what? It touched this point. It went down. Finally, this point now is the resistance to this market. Okay, It went down, and then the market finally broke above it. It broke above this level, this zone right here. You see that?
Mm.
It
Yes,
broke
sir.
above it, and it sold it, and it came here and gave you a higher high. And now watch, the market came back to that same level, to that same level. It came back to this same level, to this same level. You see it?
Yes, sir.
To retest it. Now it was, this point was resistance before, and when it now broke above it, it became what? A support. It came back to it. The price came back to that same level, and is now acting like a what? A support. And it pushed up. The same thing occurred here at this same level also. This is it also. Here is support, and here is what? Here is a resistance, and here is support. The same thing happened here also. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Here it is what? Resistance, and here it is what? Support.
Support.
Do you see that?
Yes, sir.
Exactly. Do you see that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the market gave you what? This is now. Do you understand the concept of support and resistance?
Yes, sir.
It came here, it was resistance, like a ceiling. Okay, the
Yes.
price, if you jump up in a room, then your head will touch the ceiling. Then it will push
And
you
you come
down.
back again. Yes.
You come back down to the floor. The floor is the support. Why the ceiling is what? The
Resistance.
resistance. Anytime you jump up, if your head touches the ceiling, you fall back down. And if you fall back down, you are falling on the support. But if you jump up and your head breaks above the ceiling, okay, then the ceiling has become a support. If there's something above the ceiling, that will not become your new resistance because you have broken above this level.
Yes.
Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
So the market came here, support, turn
Support.
resistance, it broke it, and at something, so it turned support here,
Resistance.
resistance here, turn support, it went up, broke below it. Okay, then the price retested the same. The price now became resistance here, pushing the price down. Okay, pushing the price what?
Down.
The same thing also occurs on this market in this manner. Let's make it clear for you to understand this. Okay, then this is also this is what? An uptrend for this one. Now, if it broke below it here, and then it turned resistance, then at this point, remember there was one here, there was a zone here, as a support resistance line here. Then you still extend it into the down to the market. You will see that yes, it is still acting with it. Do you see it?
Down trend. Yes.
Are you seeing what is going on?
Yes, sir.
Even this one also, can take it here, extend it. You see it? The
Yes, sir.
market always respects support and resistance. It's also called zones.
Zones.
It's called support and what?
Zone.
Resistance, or it can also be called what? Zones.
Zones.
Please, are you understanding this?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any question?
No, sir.
Okay, so we have done support and what? All of this is that I'm teaching you here. We will still go to the charts. I will show you all of these things in the charts. You will see them in these same charts right now.
Yes, sir.
We'll go to a clean chart and I will show you this. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
now in this same market, we have done market structure, which is trend, done support and resistance. So the next is trend line. So if you want to put a trend line on this chart right now, you start from the low, and then you you make sure it touches the what? The second touch, and then you extend to the what? The fusion. Do you see that?
Yes, sir.
That is the perfect trend line. A what?
Perfect red line.
Then on the downtrend also, take it this way, touch the second one, then you extend to the what?
The
The
fusion.
fusion. Do you see it?
Yes, sir.
That's a what? A perfect trend line.
Trend line.
Please, do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
We have done something. I've taught you so many things today already. I just wish you are really understanding everything. Okay. So let us
Yes,
go
sir.
to the chart so that I can show you everything, all of these examples that I'm just making now to show you, to share them to you on the charts. So we have to go to a clean chart. Excellent. I have some drawings here already, so I won't be using them. So let us go to a what?
A killing
A
shot.
new chart. A new chart. So we can analyze this because I took a trade here that I made money today. So let me go and show you quickly. I took a trade on this SAU USD. I took a trade on it. So I will have to go and show you what is it. That is on the level of 1 hour. 1 hour. So let me go and show you on 1 hour. Okay, see it? I took a trade here. That was around 2 p.m. in the midnight, and the trade I left it to this afternoon when I hopped out around. I closed the trade around here. I slept off. Okay, I took a trade. I entered from here to sell to sell this XAUSD, and I set my take profit here. Okay,
Yes, sir.
here, and then I slept off. I entered the market, set my stop loss, and I went to bed. So woke up around 7 in the morning. The market was already here. So I even made more money than I planned to make. I made a whole lot more money than I planned to make. So the price came here. The price was at this point. Meanwhile, I planned to take my profit at this point. But I woke up and I saw that the price was at this point. So I was happy, and I left the market. Even when I closed my positions and took my profit, the price continued to even sell more. It kept on going down. You can see it. So if I had even held my position, I would have even make more money. I would have made a whole lot of money. But I left here. And I'm okay. I don't care what happens next. But I would have made a whole lot of money, extra more money. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's go to a new chart so that we can replicate everything I have been teaching you today. Okay, let's go back and confirm our video is still active. Okay, hello,
Thank you, sir.
wonderful. You are seeing everything I'm showing you, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's go to a whole new chart. Maybe we'll use trading. Okay, let's use trading view. If I thought they are trading view. I don't know about this trading view market. I see markets. I think they are in Australia. I don't know which country. I see markets is in Australia. This is a this is a broker in Australia, I think. I see markets. Wonderful. Let's use capital.com. Okay, is this okay? I don't think I have drawings here. Okay, I have no drawings here. So it's a clean chart, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so right now this is a clean chart. This is a new chart, a new clean chart. And when you also go to this pair, XAUUSD on your computer, on TradingView, you will see the chart in this pattern. But right now we are going to analyze this chart, okay, and give it a meaning to take a trade and make a profit. Okay. So, but remember, I have already made money on this chart today. So It's not a must. There will be an opportunity to make money right now, but we have to analyze it down to the 1 hour or 30 minutes time frame. Okay. So
Yes,
first
sir.
of all, we'll start with the monthly what? The monthly time frame.
Analysis. Mm,
Monthly time frame. We'll start with the monthly time frame. The monthly what?
time frame.
So we'll do what we call top-down analysis. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now this is the monthly. I've just clicked it. So seeing the monthly, you can see that this pair has been on a what? What can you see here?
Uptrending.
It has been an uptrending market, a serious bullish
Uptrending
market.
market.
Okay, and then I will decide to write it down. The monthly, which is M. The market is bullish or bullish, or I can say the market is uptrend. Anyone you call it, that's okay. One, do you see that?
Yes, sir.
One monthly time frame, market is bullish to uptrend. Is that correct? You can see it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's go to the weekly time frame. The weekly. This is the weekly. Okay. This is the what?
Weekly.
Hello.
Weekly.
Okay. If you look at the weekly now, you can see that the market gave you. This market has been giving you what? A high, higher low, a higher high, a 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 higher low, a higher high. After a higher high, it went down to give you what? A lower what?
Lower low.
A lower low. And then this lower low has even given you a what?
A lower high.
A lower high. And now we're expecting what?
A lower low.
A lower low. So right now you can simply identify that this XAUUSD pair gold, the trend has changed. It is changing a
Yes.
trend.
To downtrend.
It is changing to a downtrend. It is what?
Downtrend market.
It has changed. It is giving you a pattern of a downtrend. So you can simply pick up your trend line. I can pick up my trend line, place it here, put it here also. Do you see that?
Yes, sir.
You saw that, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. So our number 2, our weekly is what? Bearish stroke, which is also a
Trading market.
downtrend. Do you see that?
Yes, sir.
Now we'll go to the weekly time frame. I'm already seeing zones. I decided to mark it out now, but let's go to the daily before we can start marking out our zones. Our zones is also known as support and resistance. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
we go down to the weekly time frame. Okay, this is our weekly time frame now. This is our what?
Weekly time frame.
The weekly time frame. Our weekly time frame is this. So you can see my trend line is well placed. It's touching here and touching here. So it has touched the first part, second one, and then I will extend to the future. Do you see that?
Yes, sir.
Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first of all, right now, I'm seeing something here. I'm seeing this place is the resistance. Do you see it?
Yes, sir.
The resistance, the price came to it here, retested it. Resistance turned support, it pushed it up. The price still came to it here. Do you see this?
Yes, sir.
So, do you see what I just marked out?
Yes, sir.
Does it make sense?
Yes, sir.
So here it is what at this point it was a resistance, and the price broke above it. Resistance pushed the price down. Price broke above it here, and still came down to retest. So right now resistance has turned support. It has become support. It retested that same level.
Yes.
Do you see it?
Yes, sir.
And then the market it pushed after the retest, it pushed up the price. Okay, even at this point, if you can see clearly, price tried to come close to it here at this level, but it didn't touch it. Okay, it went up, but after that, do you see that the price came down here and touched this same level again for the third time here?
Yes, sir.
And here it acted what as a support, pushing the price up. At this same level, it also acted what as a support, pushing the price what up. Please, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So we have marked out what here it was a resistance, here it is support, here is support. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, perfect. I'm also seeing another level right here again. This is a support. This is a support. Support on resistance. Support on what?
The distance.
Resistance.
Distance.
So let me write it down for you. Support, resistance. You see it? So you can see what I
Yes, sir.
just marked out now. At this point, the price came down here. It pushed price up. Price broke below this. Here it was what? Support. But price came below it, came down to this. Our price came down to this very level. Okay, this very resistance turn support, and still came up again to touch this same level. Here it was support, and right now it was resistance. So as price touched it, it is pushing the price down. Please, do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Are you confused?
No, sir.
Are you seeing any level you can identify by yourself?
Yes.
Are you seeing any level right now on the screen that you can identify as a support and resistance, just as I have done? Are you seeing any
I
level
can.
you can identify on your own? I'm seeing a level again by myself. I'm seeing a level. Okay, here is
Where
a
you are.
level.
Where you are now. Where
Yeah,
you.
that's the
Where,
level.
where your mouse was.
Okay, let us go down to the 4 hour time frame to see if that's okay. 4 hour time frame. The day we have done monthly time frame is a bullish. Weekly is what? Bearish. Then the daily. The daily is what? The daily time frame is still bearish. Because how do I get that? The daily is bearish, which is a downtrend. The daily is bearish. I will show you how I got that. The daily is bearish. The daily is what?
Bearish.
The daily is bearish. The daily is what?
Bearish.
Is bearish. Okay, here is it. So this is a what? A high, a low, a higher high,
Higher high. A higher low.
a higher low. Remember, this is a higher low now. This higher low happened certainly at the equal, at the height of this higher high
Higher
here.
high. Higher high.
I taught you that right here when I was explaining to you with this diagram that I drew here. If you have forgotten, okay, it's not on this. Do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then this gave you what?
A
This
higher
went
high.
up. This went up to give you a high here, which came down to give you a low. Went top to give you a high, give you a higher low. Okay?
Yes, sir.
And then, oh God, sorry. After this higher low, price was supposed to give you a higher high, but it didn't give you a higher high. It came and give you what? A lower high.
Lower high.
Okay. After this lower high, it came and give you a lower low, and this lower
A
low
lower
has
low.
taken out. It has taken out this
This
last higher low, and
higher,
even this one
lower,
also.
higher low.
Okay.
Yes,
So it
sir.
has broken below this. So we have first sign, second sign. Okay. And after this lower low, it still came up to give you what? A lower high, confirming for you that this trend has turned bearish. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So with that being said, we conclude that the daily time frame is a bearish market.
Get.
So now we're going down to the 4-hour time frame. The 4-hour what?
Time frame.
Going down to the 4-hour time frame. Wicked. Okay. I'm seeing a level right here. There's a level right here. I can also mark it out from the 4-hour. There's a level right here. Do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that seems perfect. Yeah, that seems perfect. Here it was resistance. We tested it here. Here it turned support. Price reacted around it here. Here it turned support at this point. Okay, price has now broken below it. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
remember we are what? On the what? On
Downtown.
the on the
Downtrending
4-hour.
market.
We are on the 4-hour time frame, and it's a downtrending market. Okay, on the 4-hour time frame too, we can clearly see what that it is a what? A downtrending what?
Trading market.
A downtrending market on the 4-hour. You can clearly see what? It is a downtrending
Market.
market. Because if you study it, the major time frame, the weekly is bearish, the daily is bearish. So this is a lower low that give you a lower high. This is a lower low that give you a lower high. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then we're expecting to have a lower low again. Okay.
Yes, sir. Lower
Perfect.
low.
Okay. So and even if you decide to read the current chart, you are seeing on the 4-hour, this is a low, a high, a higher low, a what?
A
A
higher
higher
high.
high,
A
a
higher
what?
low.
A higher
A
low, a
higher
what?
low. A higher
A higher
high.
a what? A higher
A
low,
higher low.
a what? A higher high.
Higher
Okay?
high.
A what?
A higher low.
A higher low, a what?
A higher high.
Okay. And then after this higher high, price just came down to give you what? An
A
equal
lower
low.
low. An
It's an
equal low.
equal, kind of equal low if you want to read this, and then a lower high, and then price came down here to give you a lower low, which has taken out all of these lows here to give you what? A lower, a what? A
A
lower
lower high.
high also to give you what?
A lower low.
A
A
lower
lower
low to
low.
give you what?
A lower high.
Lower high. So seeing this, you can conclude that the 4-hour time frame is still what? Bearish. Please, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So now the 4-hour time frame is still bearish. Okay. So we have to start now we'll go down to the 2 hours time frame. You see that?
Yes, sir.
We go down where? Hello?
You know,
Hello?
hello, sir.
Are you still following me?
Yes, I can hear you now, sir.
Okay. Okay. Something happened right here. Are you seeing the market?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Remember, we are doing analysis, so you have to pay attention to read the market to know what you're going to do next. So looking at this chart right now, I can see something that happened right here. Something happened on this market right here. Do you see that?
Yes, sir.
You see that the market was respecting these levels here. You see it?
Yes, sir.
Even while the market was doing that, it was still giving was giving what it was giving you, but respecting these levels here, it was still giving you lower highs, and we are still in a what? A downtrend, a bearish
Right.
market, which means we are looking for opportunity to what? To sell. Okay. Do you see
Yes, sir.
what just happened there that I marked out?
Yes.
Very good. And then you can decide to place a trend line if you care so much about it. Maybe from around this point. Put it here, but it doesn't make any sense to me. So we have to continue with our market structure knowledge. Yeah. Okay. I'm seeing something here already. I'm seeing a level right here. The market has been obeying. So this is it. Here it was a resistance. Here it was support. Here it was support. Extend it. Here it was resistance. Oh my God, that makes a lot of sense. Do you see that?
Yes, sir.
This level was resistance here. Okay, it pushed it down, it sold. Are you there?
Yes, sir. I'm here. I'm seeing
It
it.
pushed the market down, the market sold. Price came above it, although it reacted here, still broke it, above it again, and then it respected. Price took it as support, went up again, broke below, reacted there at some point. Okay, and it happened. So now here was also a resistance, and then resistance. Are you seeing that?
Yes, sir.
We are looking for opportunity to do what? To sell. Go down to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, this is the 1 hour time frame. Are you seeing this?
Yes, sir. 1 hour
Okay,
time
so
frame.
1 hour time frame, and this is the line, the black line that I marked out. You can see it. Price continue to do lower highs, and something happened right here on these symbols. You can decide to remove this. Haven't seen what is going on there. Take this one out. The price was just around here. Something happened there, kind of an equal top, like an M pattern, a double top. Price came here, give you this, came here to this point, went down, still came to that same point again, and came down to this same black line that I marked out. That's giving levels on the 4 hours, 2 hours time frame. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So last night I was analyzing this market. I had in mind that I was looking for a key level where I can sell from. So when I came to the market last night, the price have already done this. Price did this. I saw this, and price was Price was here price was right here last night at this point. Price was just here. Price was what?
Just here.
Just at this spot last night. Okay. And
Yes,
while
sir.
price was here, I knew that I cannot sell from here because I think I might be entering at a wrong level. I was expecting the market for the price, if the price can come down a little bit, okay, close with a strong bearish candle body, and then retest this point for me to sell. Okay, I was waiting patiently, but price did not do that. So while price was here last night, okay, price started buying. Okay,
Yes, sir.
price what?
Started
Started buying.
buying.
And my Fibonacci level, I had a level. This blue line here is called a Fib level. Okay, it's my Fib level, and it's not a secret. This is the settings. Is the input is 50 on length is 50, source is close, offset is 0. Okay, so
Yes,
the
sir.
Fib level was there, and price bought to this point. And then I was just seeing that because I have seen this double top, and then I picked my Fib level. My Fib level, I was to shoot this. My Fib level, these are confluences that confirms what I have to do. This is my Fib level, looking for a sell from the recent high to the recent low. I dragged it across. Are you see what I'm doing?
Yes, sir.
This is my recent high to my recent low. Okay, recent high to recent low, and the price was touching my 50 Fib level. And my EMA was also there, and this is the 50 Fib level, right? This is the 50 right here. So instantly seeing this, I took my short position. I entered just right here, and I placed my my stop loss just this way, and I was just targeting this. I think I was targeting around this. I was targeting the market around here, this to this same support level. Yeah, I think that's correct. And market sold massively, and I made so much profit. Please, do you have any question?
No, sir. Congratulations.
Do you have any question?
No, sir.
Okay, so I also took a trade on GBP USD, GBP USD. So we have analyzed the we've analyzed this market. Our 4 hours was bearish. Our 2 hours was bearish. Our 1 hour, our 1 hour bearish. 1 hour was bearish. Even 30 minutes was still bearish. So do you see what I just did? So analyzing this market, analyzing this market, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are 6 time frames. All of these time frames, all of these 6 time frames, only one, which is the monthly, was bullish. So 5 out of 6, the market was bearish, and that means that the bears that they're selling, the downtrend is in power now. And I joined the downtrending market, found a spot that I sold from, and I made money. Okay, so right now, hello.
Yes, sir.
So right now in this market, having seen what just happened, I'm expecting the market to do this. Right now in this market, having seen what just happened, I will expect the market to do this. I want this market to come up here. It has broken up below this. I would like for the price to come to come to use this same zone as resistance to come into this zone, and then I will find opportunity to sell. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
But this may happen touching the trend line in this way. Maybe this way, it may happen touching the trend line this way, then I will sell. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
The price is here right now. The market will still sell. This market will sell. It will keep on selling. To keep on selling to around to this point. This price will come down to this point. Okay, so all of this space here, from this level right now to this level, this market will still come here. It will still come here. This price will still come to this zone. There is a chance it will come here. So from here to here is a lot of money. Some people are gonna make $5,000. Some will make $100. Some will make $50. Some will make $10,000. Some will make $1,000. Some will make $1 million. Some will make $100,000, $50,000, $500,000, $1 billion, just from this movement we are all looking at, depending on the capacity of the trader. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So, but right now, I know that this price, because it's a downtrending market, all of my analysis, all of the time frames, which are these, most of them, 5 of them, apart from one is saying bullish, but 5 of them is saying bearish, which means the market will keep selling. So I know that this market will still continue
Sell.
to
To
sell,
sell.
which means if I enter and join the sale and move all this way, I will make a lot of money. But I will not just join now and start selling. If I do that, there is a high chance I will lose money. So what do I anticipate? That this market, having broken this level, okay, this level, I want it to come up here into this level, okay, to retest it, to touch it, okay, and then to sell. Do you understand? So when this happens, it means that I'm selling from a key area. I'm selling from an important area, not just a random place. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So that is what I'm expecting now on gold. So right now I'm doing nothing. I want gold to retest this level before I can join. I can decide to join the sale. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So gold must come to this level. It must come to this level. Gold must come. I want it to come up into this level, or even touching this line that it broke out from. You see that line that I placed there?
Mm.
Even here, this same zone, this same resistance support zone. Okay, it may touch it this way, and then I will sell the market. Okay, so this is what I anticipate to happen. So this may not happen today, it may not happen tomorrow. I will wait. Maybe it will happen on Thursday, or it will happen next week, Monday. It may even happen this night, depending on how fast it decides to play out. I will keep watching it, I will keep looking at it. I will not, because I know, or because I think it will buy from this, because I think it may buy from here to here. I will not go and be buying, because the market itself is a bearish downtrending market. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. So let us go and analyze GBP. GBP what? USD. So let's use capital.com. Damn, what is all this? Okay, let's clear this whole chart. Okay, this is a clean chart. This is a what?
Killing chart.
A clean chart. This is a clean chart. So what is the first thing that I will do right now? When you come to a clean chart like this, what is the first thing you will do? First of all, you look at it. When you look at it, you say, okay, I see you. I see you are there. I see you are there. Oh my God! Look at a very nice market. Do you see what happened here on this market? This is a high. Okay,
Yes, sir.
this is a what?
A lower,
Hello.
a lower high,
This is a high. This is a low. This is a what?
a high, a lower high,
This is a lower high. This is a what?
a lower low,
This is a what?
a lower high,
A lower high. This is a what?
a lower low,
Perfect. This is a what?
a lower high,
This is a what?
a lower low,
This is a what?
a lower high,
This is a what?
a lower low,
Perfect. This is a what?
a lower high,
This is a what?
a lower low.
Perfect. You see that?
Yes, sir.
So having known this as a trader, and you just come to the market and you're seeing this, the market give you this high, low, lower high, lower low. You see this, and then wow, this is nice. Then you now see you now the price now comes. The market now come up this way. Come up this way. Okay. I give you a what? A lower high at this point. And you are seeing this. What would you be doing to make money?
Planning to sell.
You will sell. Perfect. You will sell the market. Okay. I will still teach you what to be doing to get the perfect entries. Okay. I'll teach
Yes,
you
sir.
that. But if you look here, you see that the market at this lower high, market gave you sort of a double top. Okay, at this here, it came here, I'll give you this, went down, came to that same spot again, I give you an engulfing candle. You see that?
Yes, sir.
So at this point, at this level, you should just take your sell. Just sell and target the market should go below the recent lower low. You see, it went below, set your stop loss to around maybe 25 pips stop loss. This is a lot of money. Someone that has maybe $5,000 in their account. Okay, this is 9 ratio. This is 9.6. Okay, this is 9.6. So let us go and calculate how much this person made. On you enter this thread right here. Let's go and calculate how much this person made. Risking just 26.27 pips. He made risk reward ratio. Do you see it? Risk reward ratio 9.6. So which means he made nine times nine of what he was risking. He made times 9.6 of almost times 10 of what he was risking. So let's go and do this math. Let's now get how much this person made. Are you seeing my screen?
Yes, sir.
So the pair is what? GBP what?
US.
GBP USD. Are you not seeing it?
Yes, I'm seeing it now. USD.
We're gonna get how much this person made. So let's say the person's account. The person's account is okay. Let's use $2,000. Okay, the person was
Yes, sir.
risking. Let's say the person is risking just $100 in that trade, which means if he lose that, if had even he took the trade, okay, and the trade did not sell, it came up to take him to make him lose money. He will lose how much only,
$100.
leaving his account at what balance?
$1,900.
Which means he still has chances to take trade again and again and again, up to 19 times before he will
Yes,
lose
sir.
the whole account. But is that possible to lose 19 times?
No, sir.
It is very
Yes, sir.
hard.
Very hard.
Do you see why this is a business, not a gambling? You see it?
Yes, sir.
It's a simple business. So he was risking only how much? $100.
$100.
So if the trade goes against him, he just only lost $100, and his money is still 1,009, safe and sound, no problem. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So he's risking how much? He's just risking
$100.
$100 is just 5% of $2,000. Am I correct? Are you seeing my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. $100 is just 5% of $2,000. So he's risking 0.05, which is 5% of his account. His stop loss is 27 pips. You see, 27. Okay, 26. Let's make it 27. 27 pips. You see it?
Yes, sir.
Stop. You see 27.3, 27 pips. 27 pips. And the pair is what? GBUSD. So calculate. You click calculate. So it means amount at risk is how much?
100.
$100. 100 USD. So he was asked to use 0.3, 0.37 to enter the trade. Okay? And he did
Yes,
all
sir.
of these things to enter the trade. Now he made this trade ran for how many days? He entered the trade here and left the trade here and left at this point. He left at this point. So this trade lasted for 8 days. You see it? You see 8 days.
Yes, sir.
You see 8 days. That's 8 days.
8 days.
And he made his risk reward is 9.22. Let's say 9. It's just 9, which is times 9. So $100. He was risking $100, but he made times 9 of what he was risking, which means $100 times 9
is 900.
is 900. $100 times 9, that's 900. So that means he made $900. $900. So which means at the end of the day, his account balance is now $2,900. And that is how many percent is that? That is almost that is almost that is more than 50% of his account of profit. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
So that is almost what 50% of his account. And the forex trading in a month, if you're able to do 10% profit in a month, you are perfect. But he made 45%, almost 50% just in 8 days. Okay, while risking only $100. That is very beautiful. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so let us so let's now go back to what we are doing to analyze this pair. Let's analyze GBP USD. Why is it so small? This character become so small. GBP USD. Let's turn to pepper stone. Okay, so are you seeing the chart?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we are on the higher time frame of we are on the monthly time frame on this GBP USD. On the what? We we are on the monthly time frame now. Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
We
That
are
is
on
a
the what?
small.
Yeah, I know it's more. How is it now? Is it big?
Yes, sir.
Is it bigger or just something?
Medium.
Is it okay now? Is it okay now or
Yes,
like
sir.
this?
Yes, sir. Mgbe gala the shot ka m ga-eji mụrụ.
So how is it now? It's good?
Very big.
Very, very okay, right?
Yes, sir.
So we are on the monthly time frame. So when we are on the monthly time frame, what does this mean? Please, whatever I'm talking, try to understand that and always remember that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Monthly time frame means that each of the candles you are seeing here, each of the candles you are seeing here took a month to open and close. I've taught you candles before. I don't know if you forgot. Each candle you are seeing here, like this candle right now, this candle, this candle you are seeing here, this candle now, took a whole month to form. This one too took a whole what?
Months.
All of them. This one full month, one full month, one full month, one full month. So each candle you're seeing here took a whole month to form. Why? Because we are on the what? Monthly time
1
frame.
month. Mm.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So what does this mean? It means that even from this spot, it means that at this point right now is August of 2008. 2000 what? Hello?
It's 2008, 2026.
This each candle you are seeing here took a month to form and close because we are on the what?
1 month time
Monthly
frame.
time frame. So as far back as here, just to here, this candle you are seeing here formed. This candle you are seeing here formed on August of 2008.
Hmm.
The next one, this one now formed on September 2008. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
This one you're seeing here, this one now that is looking so kind, this one here is July 2013. July what?
2013.
This is still far back. Hmm? This one you're seeing here, this one you're seeing here, this one is
Yes.
January of 2018. Of what?
January 2018.
Of 2018. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
This one you're seeing here, this one you're seeing here, this candle, this one here, and this red, this blue one here is May 2021.
May 2021.
Are you seeing it?
Mm.
This one you're seeing here, this red one, is February 2026. This one. You see it?
Yes, sir.
And this one here now, this one now is what? March. And this one is what?
April.
April. But it has not closed. Because if you look to your One of my friend is sending message to sell gold. That gold is a sell. Gold is selling. Gold is a good sell, but I'm waiting for a level. But he's already seen. He thinks he's already okay for him to start selling, which also makes sense. In the market, in the forex market, whatever you're seeing is correct as long as you make money with it. So he's sending a message to sell, which means we are all seeing to sell. Do you
Okay,
understand?
la group there.
Yeah, yeah. He sent me a message on Telegram that gold is a sell. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
When you finish learning, you may see a market and you will send me say it's a buy. You want to know what I think, if it's correct or not. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
I don't know if you understand that.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you can see here that the current price is 1.35089 of this pair. And you see that we have 2 days and 4 hours remaining for this April to end. So when that closes, this candle will close, a new candle for May will open. Because for what? We are on the monthly what?
Time frame.
Time frame. Do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any question?
No.
Okay, so oh God. Seeing this, seeing all of this, looking back from 2008 to this point, from this point in 2008 to this point, which is about 18 years or 19 years, GVUSD has been on a downtrend.
Yes.
Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
It has been on what?
In that trend.
On a downtrend. Okay, so what would you do as a trader? I'm not interested in what happened as in 2008. I just want to focus like maybe from the last 5 years, which is 2C, 25, 24, 2020, 2019. But since I'm seeing all these things, so let me just interpret the chart with them. So right here, I'm seeing a resistance. Do you see this resistance?
Yes, sir.
Does it make sense to you? I just marked it out.
Yes. Resistance.
Because of what? Price touched this
Yeah.
level here. It came back down. Price still touched the same level here. It still pushed back down. Do you see it?
Yes, sir.
Does it make
Two
sense?
places. Yes, two places.
Okay. I'm also seeing a support. This is it.
Yes.
It's a support. Extend it down and go this way. You see it?
Yeah.
The support. Price came. Price came to it, pushed up, to it again, pushed up, to it again, pushed up. Price came back here and broke that support. Okay?
Yes, sir.
It broke the support. But then price came back to it, went up, still came back to it again, did not break down again, used as support, came again, support, and still goes. So it is valid.
It is valid.
Does it make sense to you?
Yes, sir.
Are you seeing it?
Valid. Yes, I'm seeing it.
Do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very what?
Very good.
Let's go and check how many hours. God, we are 1 hour and 30 minutes already on this class. That's a long time. So after this GP analysis, we will have to we'll stop the live. Are you seeing this time on this screen? This live one? Do you see it?
Yes, 1:29:22.
Almost 1 hour 30 minutes on this class.
Yes, sir.
But are you getting value? Are you really understanding something?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. So I've marked resistance. I've marked support. Okay, and we have
Yes,
seen
sir.
that this is a what? A downtrending market.
Market.
Yes. Please, one moment. Let me check on something. Oh, damn. Okay. Are you still there?
Yes, sir.
So you can even try to place a trend line. Touch here.
Touch
If you
the
touch the second one, you extend. It doesn't make any sense. It looks like it has broken it. You touch this one, second one, doesn't make any sense. So trend line cannot help us. Or you can start from this point to 2014. Here is 2007, which is too far behind. So let's start 2007, 2014 to this point. Makes some sense, but then again, it looks as if it has broken it here. So trend line does not help us. Remove it. So our monthly time frame on GBUSD is showing us that it is a what? This is a bearish market. Are
bearish
you there?
market. Yes, sir. Bearish market.
It's a downtrend, is it not?
Yes, it's down trend
Which
market.
is which is also called what? A bearish
Bearish market.
market. So now
Bearish.
next thing is to go down to the weekly time frame. Do you see it? Hello.
Yes, sir. I'm seeing it.
Very good. So these are what? Our weekly time frame. So when you see
This weekly time. Sorry, sir.
yes, go ahead.
This weekly time frame. The business move for only take 1 week to close.
Each candle here takes each candle here takes 1 week to form. That's why.
Okay.
Each candle on 1 hour time frame, each candle takes one hour to open to form. 15 minutes time frame, each candle takes 15 minutes to form. The same thing. Do you
Yes, sir.
understand?
Yes, sir.
So this is now on this weekly time frame. What do we see? Even though the major trend from monthly, even though the major trend from monthly is bearish, okay, is bearish. Weekly is giving us signs of an uptrend because this is a this is a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low. But then here you see a high, a higher low, a higher high, a what?
A higher low.
Higher low, a what?
A higher high.
Yes, and then a what?
A higher low.
A higher low, and then a what?
A higher high.
A higher high. Okay, and then a what?
A higher low.
And then a what? Came here and gave you an equal high.
Equal high.
Okay, and now it has given you what? Another
A
higher
higher
low.
low.
Okay, but remember, I took a trade here last night and made money today. But when we get there, I will show you that. But so now our weekly is showing us what trend is this weekly now?
Bearish.
You said,
Bearish.
how is it bearish? This weekly is giving us an uptrend. You're saying bearish.
Oh, you like that can you like that now?
Are you not following what I'm doing? We have analyzed the market on the monthly time frame. and it gave us bearish. Right now we're on the weekly time frame, which we just analyze, give us higher highs and higher lows, and it give us bullish trend. And I ask you, you're saying bearish. Why do you say bearish when the market was giving us
Mgbe
a
ana m
bullish?
echek ihe anyị la type ka m na-ele anya.
Yes, now the M was the monthly time frame we just analyzed before, which gave us a bearish trend. Right now, the W is the weekly time frame, which we just analyzed, is giving us a bullish trend. Don't you understand this?
I understand it. Ana m ele ihe la type. Ama m lọ ihe market ya nọ ka
You
ịlọ.
don't have to look at what I'm typing, you just have to focus on what the market, just give your answer from your own understanding, and then check if it matches what I'm typing or not.
Yes, sir.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
So this is just this now. So we have analyzed that, identified that even though the major trend from the monthly is bearish, right now, our weekly is giving us a bullish trend. A bullish what?
Trend.
But I'm also seeing a resistance spot here. I'm seeing a point of resistance here. You can see it.
Yes, sir.
The resistance is here because the market is forming. You see it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Well, I'm also seeing a point here also. I'm also seeing a level here, resistance turn support. I don't know if you're seeing what I'm seeing.
I'm seeing it, sir.
Let me mark it out. The level here too. Here is the resistance. Okay, resistance here, a turn support, and that's it. You see that?
Yes, sir.
Resistance, broke above it, support,
Support.
again. So we are, but above all that, the weekly is giving us a bullish trend. We can put a trend line to see if a trend line will fit. So this is the low. This is the second low. You can see that will touch perfectly. We touched it nicely. Then we extend to the what? We extend to the what? To the future.
Yes, sir.
Are you not there?
Yes, sir.
So do you see that the trend line makes sense?
Yes. First second.
Do you see that
First and second.
the trend line makes sense?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have seen that the weekly time frame is bullish. So let's go down. What time frame comes next?
4 hour day. Okay, daily.
The daily time frame. Thank you for that. Okay. The daily time frame. Perfect. So you can see the chart, right?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So this is the zone that I marked. Okay, very good. Perfect. What?
Perfect.
Perfect. Okay. So this market touched our trend line here. When the market touched this trend line, it gives you what? An uptrending market. Come here and give you is a low, a high, a higher low, a what? A higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low on this zone.
Yes.
Okay. And this zone was still protecting this higher high. Do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Then it gave you what again?
A higher
After
high.
this, it gave you a higher low, a higher high, a
Higher
higher
low.
low, and then what?
A higher high.
A higher high. And then it came here
Higher
and
low.
gave you an equal low.
A follow.
After an equal low, it gave you what? a lower high, and then
a
it gave
lower
you
high,
what?
a
A
lower
lower
low.
low, which is a sign of a trend reversal.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
and
sir.
then it came here and gave you another a higher high. Very confusing movement. It has now broken above this lower
This
high. And
lower high.
after doing giving this confusion, okay, the market went straight down to give you a lower low, clearing all of these lows. After that, give you a high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher high, clearing all of this confusion too.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
all this confusion was cleared. Okay, but after that, we should expect a higher. We should expect at this point, after giving you this higher high, okay, which now cleared all this confusion that yes, it is the market wants to continue buying. After a higher high, the market should give you this is the last higher high it did.
Higher high.
Give you this higher low before this higher high. So with the concept of support and resistance I taught you, the market should come back here to retest this level. You carry you mark it out as a zone like this. Do you see that?
Yes, sir.
Do you see that?
Yes, sir.
So the market came there to retest this resistance down support, and then it came here and give you a high. It was supposed to come and give you a higher high to make sure the buying trend has continued, but it didn't do that. So it give you a lower high. I seen that.
Yes, sir.
After a lower high, it came down to give you what? A
A
lower low.
lower low.
After a lower low, it give you what?
A lower high.
A lower high. After a lower high, it give you what?
A lower
A
low.
lower low, a lower high, a lower low,
Lower low. A
and
lower
an
equal
equal
low.
high.
Equal high.
Okay, so at this point, okay, let's move down. So last night, the market was here last night. The market was where?
Here.
Here last night. All of these ones have not happened. All of these ones, all of these ones. Hold on. I'm teaching. I want to show you what I saw that made me make money last today, and I haven't taken another trade again since then. So all of this has not happened. All of this, all of this has not happened. Do you see this?
Yes, sir.
This one that I marked red, they have not happened at all. Even this blue one here, they have not happened. All of these have not happened. So the market was just here. Hmm? I just
Yes,
marked
sir.
it with the red circle, with the green black circle there. But this one red circle have not happened. So let's go. So seeing this, where is my good? So seeing this, so seeing this, so seeing this last night, okay? Seeing that last night, it's simply clear that the daily is what? Is bearish. Please, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
It's simply clear that daily is what?
Bearish.
Yeah, because it is giving us a downtrending market sign. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So let's go down to the 4 hours. Go to the 4 hours time frame. Go to the 4 hours time frame. So remember that all of this has not happened last night.
Yes.
I'm trying to even find that exact trade. Who's calling my phone, man? Okay, so remove this. So do you understand where we are at? So
Yes,
this
sir.
is this is even a lower high, not an equal low. Because this is the high here. This is the high here. Okay. So after a lower high, you want to see what? A lower low.
Lower low.
Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then the market gave you this. Market gave you this. Market gave you this lower low, this lower high, and then this
Lower
higher
low.
low, and then this. Where do you see a lower low? Is a higher low? I'm saying lower low. Is a higher low. Give you this higher low because this low is now higher. It's no longer lower again. It's now higher. Okay. After
Yes,
this
sir.
higher low, it gave you this
Higher
push,
high.
a higher high. Now, what do you see here? This high has cleared out all of this level of this recent. Just
Lower
clear out
high.
this one, clear out this one. So, which means the market has given you sign. First sign was this one. Instead of a lower low, it gave you a higher low. Second sign was this, clearing all of this. Okay. So
Yes,
that,
sir.
which means we have now turned to a what? A buying market. Okay. And then it give you what? A higher low. Give you what?
Higher high.
A higher high. You see it?
Yes, sir.
And then it give you what?
A higher low.
A higher low. Then what happened here? You see that the market gave you this is a zone also. You can see it's a zone. Market retested the same zone of itself. Do you see it?
Yes, sir.
Do you see what happened there?
Yes, sir.
You see, as I just marked it out and it made so much sense. You can
Yes,
decide
sir.
to even extend it backwards like this. You can still find more levels. Oh my God. You see so many levels it's touching. This level here I respected it, the same level. Here it was support. Here it was resistance. Okay. Here it was resistance. Resistance. Are you seeing this?
Yes.
It broke above it. It has now turned to a
Support.
what?
Support.
Support here. Thank you. Okay. And then the market went up.
Response.
It went up and still came back down here, respected the same level as support. You see it?
Yes, sir.
So right now we are what on this? We are what are we on this 4 hours time frame? We are bullish. We are what?
Bullish.
Are you seeing how I'm calmly and carefully analyzing the market?
Yes, sir.
We are bullish on the 4 hours time frame. So you see that 4 hours time frame is matching with weekly time frame, weekly analysis, and is matching with weekly analysis because I just hope you understand because this is simple. We're doing it together, and you are here.
Yes.
It's not hard. So we move down. We move down to the 2 hours time frame. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
So you see how everything is making sense. All of the levels I'm marking out are making sense. You see how they all make sense.
Yes, sir.
So let us remove. Let's remove this line. Hmm. Okay. So we are now on the 2 hours time frame. Yeah. Do you see how strong this zone was? Here was the support, resistance, resistance, resistance. Price finally broke above it. Support, now support. You see it?
Yes, sir.
But this support, something's happening here. This support, let's remove this. This support is also giving us a sign of a continuous bullish trend because this point is a low. Okay, you can even decide to analyze this market right here. This is a high, a low, a an equal low or a higher low. They seem to be equal, but then a what? A lower low,
Lower high, lower low, a lower high,
lower high, a what?
a lower low,
Lower low, a lower high, and then a flew down, just flew down to give you what? A lower low.
lower low.
Okay, you see that?
Yes, sir.
Or you can start to even mark out these ones. Give you this one. This one give you this lower low, lower high. Okay, I'll give you all this movement, lower high, kind of a higher low here, but a lower high. Okay, a lower low, which clarified for you that you see a downtrend for this small movement here. Okay, a correction. But now something happened. Market has pushed up, clearing out all these one, two, three lower highs, which means is a first sign that we are continuing in our bullish market.
Market.
And then it came down to give you what? A low. But this low is now also what? Higher, which is a sign of a buying market, a bullish and uptrend market. Okay, so which means
Yes, sir.
at this point we are expecting this market to what? To come up
Sir.
here to give us a higher high.
Higher high.
Okay, a higher
Yes, sir.
high, a higher high, and then what?
A higher low.
Give us a higher high, and then give us a higher low to keep on buying. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Please, do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
So I even see a level here. I see a level here. There seems to be all equal. See a level here. Mark it out to the future. Do you see that level? One, two, three. Do you see it?
Yes, sir.
And I see a trend line here and here.
To the
Why I
future.
do this is that if the price ever fails to come and give us a higher high, price can simply come down to break this trend line, come below this zone. This is our strong zone. Come below it, retest it, and I will say targeting this zone, this current zone, this one. Are you confused?
No, sir.
So we go down. So our 2 hours time frame, or 2 hours time frame is what? Bullish. You see it?
Yes, sir.
Good. So 1 hour time frame. We are now on the 1 hour time frame. So let us delete all of these lines to keep the chart very neat. So one second, let me check something because I've done analysis before on this pair. Okay. Oh, I missed. Oh, I marked it out. I marked it out. I marked out this. I marked it out. So it has finally touched it. Yeah. Continue on its buy. I touched it. Continue on its buy. Yeah, I did this mark out. Zone I marked out. Touched it to continue on its buy. So now our what we just analyzed is very correct. What market
Yes,
is
sir.
nice? Capital.com. I don't know where we did our analysis. So where where we analyzing? Okay, it's here. So let me remove all of these to keep the chart very clean. Yeah. Even this one too should go. This one should go. This one should go. This one should go. This one should go. Is there anything else on this chart confusing us? Okay, so for something that made me sell. Yeah. Okay, hold on 1 second. I'm checking something. Okay, yeah, that's it. So do you understand how we got here so far? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So now we have analyzed this market right now and confirmed that GBUSD is on a buying market. Okay. So I took a trade last night that gave me profit. I think it's around this point that I took that trade. My entry was right now. GBUSD is bullish on 1 hour time frame right now. 1 hour is bullish. 1 hour is bullish. 1 hour is bullish. Let's go down to the 30 minutes time frame. I want to reconfirm what I saw that made me sold this pair and make profit. Okay, this is what I saw. I've seen it again. Okay, I've seen what I saw. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this was what I saw that made me take this trade. So you can see that from this point down to here was a downtrending market. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Do you see that?
Yes, sir.
And from this point, this trend line goes up this way. The market has changed to a buying market, taking out all these lower highs. Okay. So when I sold this market around, who is that level that I sold the market from?
Said around 2.
Yeah, 2 in the midnight. No, that's 4:30. Is it 4:30? Let me go and get that because I want to confirm. Price has moved, has moved so much. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, that's right. That's just correct. Oh, I analyzed this pair even down to the sorry. I took that out of 15 minutes time frame. So now that is clear. So we are still on 1 hour time frame, which still look bullish. I thought that was around here, okay, around 2 in the midnight. So let's go down to the our 1 hour time frame is saying bullish right now, okay. Bring it here. Let's go to the 30 minutes time frame. You can see our 30 minutes time frame.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
This thing about to allow to 10 minutes. So my battery.
Yeah, we are about to close our this thing. So you can see this right here. Then come down to the 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
Good, which makes even to 30 minutes. I'm seeing what we called head and shoulder. So when it comes to 15 minutes, I was seeing something right here. Come to 15 minutes, you'll see clearly. I was seeing something right here on this market. I was seeing something. I was seeing something right here. Yeah, I was here. I was seeing something exactly here. I was seeing a level here. Do you see this level?
Yes.
Exactly. This was what I saw in the night. Resistance is pushed down, went up, support, bought, went down, was ranging up below it. So price finally came below it, retested it. So I entered the sell from here last night. I sold to this point. My stop loss was around 15 pips. This was the trade I took. So I knew it will sell to buy. You see it?
Yes, sir.
So this was just the trade I saw last night. And then again, I saw what is called the head and shoulder. Head and shoulder. This is the left shoulder. You see the head. Have you seen this?
Yes, I
So
can show.
I was waiting for this right shoulder to form, and I was even seeing price come. I saw price come up to this week here. I was watching it, and then price confirmed my right shoulder and continued buying. But I was patient enough for the price to eventually come up, retesting this level that I marked out, and then I sold. It was like I had so many confluences. I had so many things telling me it's gonna sell. Okay, so I will still teach you chart patterns. This is the chart pattern, the head and shoulder. I'll teach you this thing. So this was what I saw last night that made me do what? Sell this market.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes,
right
sir.
now on this pair, I'm expecting that it will keep buying. Do what?
Keep buying.
It will keep buying up to this zone. But if it will keep buying, this pair will keep buying up to this zone. But if it fails to buy and eventually comes down to sell, breaks below this way, I will wait for the text, then I will short. Okay, but right now that is buying, I will allow it to buy a little more and then give me uh give me a space to a level to join the buys. Okay, then I will join the buy and buy it. Okay, I'll take my position, putting my stop loss just this way and target for you to get to this height. Okay, so that is the end of the class for today, and I will end the live stream right now. So as always, this is ViniFX, and I'm glad you have gained some value today. So did you learn something, please? Are
Thank
you
you,
still
sir.
there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, let me end the live stream so that yeah, please subscribe and like this video, and
Yes,
then
sir.
for me to be able to be giving you much valuable information about the market. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and subscribe so that I will post another video again sooner or later, so that you will be notified when I do that. Please subscribe, and click the like button. Thank you.
Yes, sir.